Hello everyone, this is Shreya. I am going to share with you all the lessons that I learned from the book Atomic Habit. This is the first self-help book that I read. This book is basically all about how to build good habits and break the bad habits. When we got something as a habit, we do that particular thing each day mindlessly. Means without thinking about that, we do that automatically. That will happen if we got habit of that. Like whatever mood we have at night, we wake up, brush, bath, and go for work. It has become our habit. And whenever we got something as a habit, we do that each day mindlessly. Now, how to build good habits? According to this book, to build good habits, we need to concentrate on four things: make it obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, make it satisfying. Coming to the first one, make it obvious. There is a rule called habit stacking. After current habit, I will do new habit. If you want to plan the day before starting the day, means you want to build creating to-do list as your habit, then you can place this habit like after breakfast, I will create to-do list. Breakfast is your daily routine. You already doing this each day. So place the new habit after current habit. There is a special mantra given in this book that is one space, one use. It is easier to associate a new habit with a new context. When you can't manage to get an entirely new environment, rearrange your current one. Create a separate space for work, study, exercise, entertainment, cooking, reading, and other activities that you do. If your space is limited, divide your room into activity zones like a chair for reading, a desk for writing, a table for eating, likewise. A stable environment where everything has a place and purpose is an environment where habits can easily form. Coming to the next one, make it attractive. According to this book, we are most likely to find a behavior attractive if we get to one of our favorite thing at the same time. This is exactly correct. We all can relate with this. There is rule that is after current habit, I will do the habit that I need to do, and after that I will do the habit that I want to do. If you want to or if you need to build completing a course as your habit, this course can be any course, study course, dance course, any course that you needed. So you can place it like after I get back from my lunch break, I will complete this course and then I will watch this episode. This episode can be any episode like reality show, comedy, business related, anything which is favorite for you. Getting back from lunch is your daily routine. You are already doing this each day. Completing the course is the habit that you needed to build, and watching episode is your favorite one. When you relate needed habit with your favorite activity, then that will become attractive for you. Coming to the next one, make it easy. Habits are easier to build when they fit into the flow of your life. If you want to draw more, then put your pen, pencils, notebook and drawing tools on top of your desk within easy reach. If you want to exercise, then set out your workout clothes, shoes, bag and water bottle ahead of your time. Basically redesign your environment. Environment means place where you are living, so that the actions that matter most are also the actions that are easier to do. There is very special mantra given in this book that is 2-minute rule. If you have a very busy tight schedule like 10 to 7 job or 9 to 5 job, still if you have a great desire of building something, let's say reading a book as your new habit, then read book each day at least for 2 minutes. Read one page of book each day, but do it repeatedly. Repetition is the core key for building anything that you wanted as your new habit. Reading book, especially self-help book, is really good habit. It creates a very good and clear mindset in you and help in building good personality in you that you wanted. 2-minute reading each day is better than never picking a book. The best way is to stop when you are good. Means don't think that I will stop reading when I got bored. If you do so, then it will be really hard to do the same thing next day. As we all know, something is better than nothing. First establish the habit, then it can be improved. Means if you want to build something as new habit, then start doing it each day at least for 2 minutes, but do it repeatedly, because repetition is the core key for building new habit. Coming to the next one, make it satisfying. We are most likely to repeat our behavior when the experience is satisfying. What is immediately rewarded is repeated, and the reward for good habit is habit itself. Habit tracker keeps you honest. At the end of the day, what habits you did, you checked it. When the evidence is in front of you, you are less likely to lie yourself. You can see the previous day's track and the checked boxes, and future days the empty squares motivates you to get started. It feels good to watch your result and grow. Now, you are not fixated on getting six packs ab. You are just trying to be the type of person who does not miss out workout each day. Or you are not fixated on being a very good writer and launch a book. You are just trying to be the type of person who does not miss out writing each day. You start loving the process, the system, instead of looking at the goal and thinking about that each time. You no need to measure your entire life, but anyone can take benefit from maintaining the habit tracker journal. Recover quickly when your habits break down. You can miss some habits someday cause of some interrupt in your life. You can't be perfect. But if you miss some habit one day, try to get back on as quickly as possible. Don't break the chain. This is very powerful mantra given in this book. So that's all about how to build good habits. You have to concentrate on four things as we seen. Make it obvious, redesign your environment according to your need, make it attractive, relate your new habit with your favorite activity, make it easy, prepare your environment to make future actions easier, or you can use the 2-minute rule. Make it satisfying, keep track of your habits, use the habit tracker journal. You can apply the inverse formula for breaking the bad habits. You can use like make it invisible, make it unattractive, make it difficult, make it unsatisfying. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful, make sure you hit the like button, and I highly recommend you all to have a read to this book Atomic Habit and stay connected with me. Thank you.